Hi boys and girls, I'm Mrs. Ernest, and we're going to have some sound fun today. Are you ready to isolate our final sounds? We're going to be listening for the last sound we hear in words. You need your fist for this because we're going to be saying our word and punching out that last sound. So we're going to punch out the last sound. So raise your right hand, and then we're going to say the word across our chest and then punch out the last sound. So I'm going to say the word, and then I'll give you the signal, and on the signal you repeat the word and punch out that last sound. Okay? Ready? Listen. Plug. Plug. G. Okay, ready? Listen. Has. Put your hand up. Has. Z is the last sound in has. Listen. Corn. Ready? Corn. Is our last sound in corn. Listen. Brief. Brief is our last sound in brief. Listen. Mess. Mess is our last sound in mess. Listen. Love. Love is our last sound in love. Last one. Listen. Web. Web. B is our last sound in web. Great job, boys and girls. You're a sound superstar. You rock.